Okay guys, here we are. Probably the time you guys have been all waiting for here. By the light of the moon. Just getting out of the tree stand here. Gonna show you guys how powerful this little headlamp of mine is. The hybrid lights headlamp. I got it on green right now, so that's green. There's white. Crossbow. And there's red. Boy, I don't know, this thing probably gives you about a good 30 foot in front of you on red. Green is just, oh, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Spectacular. I love the green. But I'm walking back to my garage. So you guys have a wonderful evening and see you on the next adventure.